Today I'm going to talk a little bit about health and fitness. It's really important that these things are balanced. There's a lot of factors that go into health and fitness in order to maintain a healthy lifestyle. And in order to maintain a healthy lifestyle, you should eat well, sleep well, stay hydrated, exercise, and of course socialize. A lot of people forget about that little point in order to maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle. You should eat well at least 80% of the time. You hear that recommended a lot, and indulge yourself about 20% of the time, but of course that can look different for everybody. That ratio can look different for everybody. The way that you eat looks different for everybody. What means healthy is different for everyone. That ratio, of course, is different for everyone. And you should always stay hydrated. That's definitely key with eating well. But in order to stay hydrated, you have to drink enough water, and then your muscles will properly function. And then if you're studying, like I am all the time, your brain will properly function. Excuse me. And then socialization, of course, is huge. But again, people don't remember that socialization is a big part of our health. Mental health is part of our health. Having a support system and a sense of community is really important in order for you to feel, loved and happy. There's a lot of things that go into that when you get into hormones and all of that other chemistry that we don't have to talk a lot about right now. And of course, exercising is important, getting those endorphins up, and it's recommended that you exercise, like an hour every day or so, and of course that looks different for everybody. The kind of exercise you are going to be doing, light to strenuous, is going to be different for everybody, just based on your skill and whatever you like to do. So that's a little bit about health and fitness. Really straightforward. I know a lot of us know what these things are, but it's always a good reminder. Hopefully that's a little helpful.